Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to personalize your mobile keyboard with custom photos. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your keyboard. Now press on three dots. Now go to theme. Then select your picture. Press and crop. Here it is. Now press and save. Click on save and apply. That's it. So this is how to personalize your mobile keyboard with custom photos. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.